What's going on, my beautiful family? Just checking in with you guys again. I just got off work. It's raining. Came here to this Wayfield to see if they are stocked or if they have any shortages. We shall check. Or just checking on price inflation to see. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up and a tour of this Wayfield here. This one's right here in Lithonia, Georgia. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up and check this out, all right? Stay tuned. Cause $1.59, $1.99 in the corn, canned corn. Man, don't tell me it's all the rice. Yellow onions are $2.99 a pound. I have Hawaiian bread at $5.99, people. $5.99. Got your bread shortages over there. This is Hispanic section, the international, but they call it Mexican food. Well, it looks like they have some stuff. Hi, how you doing? Got some cans that are empty. They do have shortages on the ramen noodles here, in the ramen section, and some damn, that is some inflated prices right there. That is 3.33 pounds for $13. Jesus, that is some inflation. Oxtail, $47.85. Jesus. I haven't seen the big bags of rice just yet, but it looks like they keep promoting these little small bags of rice. Pounds and 50.55 ounces. The dude's just scanning away. Damn, they are low on milk. They are definitely skimmed out on milk. $3.99 a gallon, people. Jesus Christ, what's this? It says, oops, please note that the 314 to 327 circular incorrectly states Philadelphia cream cheese $5.05, 5 for $5. The correct price is Philadelphia cream cheese 2 for $5. Damn. So they done dropped 3 on that ass. But look at this, $6.49. 2.5 dozen eggs. Man, that's a lot. We got some good containers y'all can use to prep with. $2.49 a bag of ice. Well, there you have it, people. Wayfields right here in Lithonia, Georgia. Just wanted to give you guys a quick tour, see what it's looking like. They do have some shortage on some shelves, certain stuff, not all stuff. And just thought I'd let you guys see it. So just thought I'd let you guys know. I appreciate it. Y'all can stay tuned. Please make sure. I'll see y'all in the next video. If you're new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Makes the channel grow, definitely. Thank y'all.